Stock number 20266, 2020 GMC Acadia front end assembly. Towel cut to the windshield to the floor. Down, looks like the driver's side fenders add there. Has a little, this has a little LED fog light down there. Has the new headlights, pretty sharp. This appears to be without park assist. Or the balance on the bumper needs a little bit of repair or possibly replaced. The bumper itself is in good shape. Passenger side, go there. Scratches here on the passenger side fender. Buckled back there. But appears to be in good shape. Nice and complete. Everything sits the way it's supposed to. Open the hood. Driver's side headlight tabs. Nice and complete. Coolant bottle, washer bottle, under the hood fuse box, your AC lines, you got your fender liners, cooling package, you got your radiator condenser fan assembly. Look over here, passenger side headlight. Again, the mount tabs are good to go. Look right there, a little better look. You got your cooling assembly. Stock number 20266, GMC Acadia, front assembly, in stock now.